In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple invoices in QuickBooks Online using the duplicate feature. If you create similar invoices over and over, this technique will save you a ton of time. We're going to start in a desktop browser because QuickBooks Online's full features and menus are easiest to access there. Go ahead and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and open Sales, then choose Invoices. This page shows all your existing invoices, which is the perfect place to find a good starting point. The idea is to pick one invoice that's already close to what you need, so you don't have to rebuild the details from scratch. Open an invoice that's similar to the one you want to create. It might share the same products or services, a comparable format, or similar payment terms. Using a close match here minimizes edits later. At the top or near the invoice actions, click the small arrow or drop down next to the invoice options and select Duplicate. QuickBooks will instantly create a new invoice based on the one you opened, copying over the structure and line items so you can focus on the specifics. Now customize the new invoice. Update the customer to the correct recipient. Adjust the invoice date and the due date to reflect your terms and timing. Review the products and services carefully. Confirm the correct items, quantities, rates, and tax settings. If your company uses classes, locations, or custom fields, verify those as well so your reporting stays accurate. Think of this as a quick quality check to make sure nothing from the original invoice slips through unchanged by mistake. You can also refine the optional details. Update the memo or notes to the customer to match the new situation, and remove anything that doesn't apply. If you accept online payments, review the customer payment options to ensure the right methods are enabled for this client. This is a good moment to confirm that any default email message is clear and professional. When everything looks right, choose Save and Send if you're ready to email it immediately, or Save and Close if you plan to send it later. If you're sending now, take a quick look at the email preview and subject line so it's clear and concise. To create more invoices, simply repeat this process. Open a similar invoice, duplicate it, update the details, and save. A helpful tip is to keep your original template invoice handy so you can duplicate it again quickly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.